All right, so we had to do a little bit of modification to the Coons Cage. Poured some concrete, reinforced the door, poured some more concrete, and laid some rock. So they're hopefully not going to be digging under. Got a little shelf built up there where they like to go in, run into. Little man's at his sister's house right now. My sister built a cage for hers. The one that I raised, I actually about 6-7 months old. Took him up to the mountains and stayed there a month. And there's videos on my other channel. I'll be trying to move some of those videos here. And y'all can see I trained him how to, had to teach him how to fish and how to get along out in the wild up in the mountains. Find these crawdads, and there's videos of me releasing him. And I'll post some pictures and stuff. You guys let me know if you're seeing this, and if there's anything particular you want to see. This is a new fence we got up for little man, so one large area now. There's Pops. Hello, little man. Pretty boy. I hope everybody's having a good day. Hey, buddy.